Hello everybody and welcome to a new video. So I'm here in Aragon and this trip went a lot better than last one. So now I just had a normal trip. I started off Monday with a flight to Barcelona because I was fortunate enough that they hired some drivers to go from Germany to Barcelona. So I only had to drive like 280 kilometers to the track, and then yesterday I wash and park and unload already a little bit, and now it's Wednesday morning. So the team is about to arrive, and then we set up our pit box and do another weekend, and hopefully we can get up there, but it's not really likely, but we'll do our best like always, and let's see what kind of result we can get here. And then after that we go to Misano, so that's with two drivers to be as soon as possible in Misano and do another weekend there and a test afterwards. So still a long way to go, and just sit back, relax. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll talk to you guys later. Yes, here we are in sunny Italy. So the weekend in Aragon went pretty well. We finished P11 in the main race, which is our best result. Unfortunately, it was because of the misfortune of others, but okay, you have to grab the points, so we're happy to take them. And let's hope we can do the same thing here in Misano again. Where I am now, well, actually, I'm in Capice Mare, where my hotel is at. And we started driving Sunday, first to Barcelona, where we had a hotel. We could freshen up a little bit, get some good sleep. And then yesterday we drove all day long to Misano, which was quite a drive. We arrived quite late. So I went after that straight to bed, and then this morning tried to be as early as possible at the truck wash. So the truck is already washed. It's parked in the holding area. So we park tomorrow. So that's Wednesday. That's because it's a back-to-back race, and some of the drivers are not here yet. So we park tomorrow morning, so that means the rest of the day I'm off. I can relax a little bit, do some sightseeing and enjoy the good weather and be ready for the next upcoming weekend, which also has a test as well. So let's see what will happen there. So we're back in the Netherlands. Misano is done. Also the test day is done. Yeah, Misano. Yeah, a little bit difficult weekend, but yeah, in the end managed to score some points. So that's always good. And yesterday test day, super long day. Tried a lot, and yeah, we found some positives, also some negatives. So yeah, let's hope we can work on that a little bit more, and then. Yeah, let's see if we can improve, or maybe next year. So for now I'm 1 week at home, and then yeah, it's off for the first triple. So yeah, try to get some rest now, and yeah, let's see how the next triple goes in the end. I hope you guys like this video. If you did, of course let me know, and I really hope to see you back in the next one. Ciao ciao, bye bye.